In this video, I will guide you how you can send crypto from Binance to Bybit. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Bybit application and sign in with your Face ID or passcode. Then what you need to do is to click on assets on the bottom right, and once you are in, simply click on this deposit and then click on the deposit crypto on the bottom. Now once you are on this particular page, what you need to do is to simply search for your particular crypto that you want to send. You can simply click on the search icon on the top and search for a specific coin and simply click on it. Then this is going to give you an option of choose a chain type, which in other words is a network. So you just need to select your network. In this case, I will select the most popular one, which is ERC20. You just need to copy your wallet address and then open up your Binance and sign in. Then click on wallets on the bottom right and then click on the withdraw option. Then you just need to click on the search icon on the top and simply search for USDT. Now you need to click on send via crypto network and simply paste your particular address just like so. As for the network, click on it and simply select the same network, which is in this case ERC20. Then you need to enter the amount that you want to send and click on the withdraw on the bottom right of your screen. And this is going to arrive within the given time of your chosen network. So hope this helped. This is how you can send crypto from Binance to Bybit.